Hello! Today we are doing two fun and easy scissors cutting activities for kids. First is the haircut activity, which is oh so cute. First, I drew off simple faces on paper, then made curly hairs using strips of black and white paper. I curled the strips like this and attached them with tape or glue. Now, the kids can use scissors to cut the curls straight, just like giving the paper face a haircut. And to make it more challenging for them, attach the curly paper in different directions on the white paper so the kids will find various ways to cut the curly hair. This is a great way to practice scissor control while having lots of fun. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kids activities, cooking, and family life. Next is the line tracing activity. I drew different kinds of lines, straight, wavy, and zigzag on a long manila paper and tape it on top of it so it doesn't move. I also cut in between the lines to make it easier for the kids to maneuver their scissors. This helps them follow the lines more smoothly and build fine motor skills. My daughter loves to do this repeatedly, and because it's easy to prepare, I can do it instantly whenever she wants it. Both of these activities are fun and educational, perfect for toddlers and preschoolers learning to cut with scissors. Thanks for watching!